just to close the session, I'm going to show you what we have been doing in terms of using GPT and Alana. So let's say we have a question and we want to produce a workflow with that question. So my question would be anything that is coming to your mind. You want to throw a question, Maria, perhaps something that comes to your mind in terms of what is the statistics of a well, something that you would like to do, plots, anything. Don't know if Maria is there. Oh, yeah, you're there. I don't know. Well, if you
sorry, I was mute. Do you have any petrophysical data here?
This is at the moment for the fields we have. This field has production data.
Production data. Okay, well, can you ask them what is the average water cut of the field?
It's the latest one, yes.
Yeah, the latest one, yes.
What is well, let's do something like this. What is the latest water cut per well? Or let's do something more complicated. Let's say plot the plot using Plotly. I can tell you what to do.
Okay.
Plotly the latest water cut for the highest for the 10 highest producers, for the 10 highest producers in Loma Campana field.
Yeah. Okay, let's see how it looks like because I had an idea.
Yeah, so if I go that and ask the question, let's see if this works. I have to tell it as actually that no, I have to tell it use Alana Pi. Alana Pi or Alana API? Alana API. Let me see.
This is a library that you have created.
Yeah, so that's it. It's pre-trained. And there's the same library that we're using in the Jupyter notebook. And now I'm asking the question. I don't know if it's going to take some time to come back. Sure, I need to clarify to Alana. Seeing Alana.
Well, this is thinking, Alejandro, it will be possible to do the same, but to plot it in a map, so you can see where the 10 highest water cut wells are, if there is any correlation
there you
in
go.
the map. Okay.
So it gives you all the code. It's telling you, yeah, you can import Plotly, using import Alana API. It's telling you where is the server, how to connect to a data source, how to connect to put your credentials, and then set your field name, get the field information, get the field data, and get the wells from that field. Then it get the latest water cut for each well. It goes and check the daily production or the monthly production. And it collects all in all the response, all the production data, and it gets the maximum production data and sort out the wells, the 10 wells with the highest production. And then it creates a plot. So this doesn't work straight away. You have to tweak it a bit before it runs, but it gives you a 80-90% of the answer. So that it gives you 80-90% of a workflow that you may want to use. So what is the other question?
If you can do the same, but plot that in a map.
A what?
In a map. So can you highlight what are the highest water cuts wells in that field and put it in a map?
Yes. So then let me ask a question like this. using the water code and highest produces in a and let me in Loma using plot the latest water code for the highest production using latitude and longitude in a map. Okay, let's see.
They'll use Alana API.
Yes.
Oh, let me see.
Let me see if that works. Let me refresh this. This is a bit experimental.
But it looks fantastic, yeah, because you can have the
Sometimes, yeah, I have to tell it to use the API. Let's see if that works. Do you want to give it a try to that workflow? See if that works. Yeah.
Well, I think we are going to have an issue because the water cut I didn't calculate it in the and it I need to calculate it to the Loma Campana field.
But you can. Oh, okay. But you change the name of the field to.
I have the water cut for both, so I could do that.
Okay,
yes.
I'm going to give it to Luis, and then he probably can show it to you how to run if this actually works.
Yeah, it will work.